Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks and best features that you can find in this smartphone. So let's open the camera, and we are going to start from the settings. So tap on the right upper corner, and here we can find a couple of the very useful options. The first one, the watermark. You can mark your photos, you can enable phone model, you can also enable date and a time, and also location. So let's activate all of them. And then if you want to customize this watermark, you can, for example, add here your name, just like that. And when you go back and take a photo, when you open this photo in the gallery, on the left bottom corner, you can spot when the photo was taken. So there you get the place with the smartphone model and the mark. It was taken by HardReset, as you can see, and also the date and time of the photo. When you go back to the settings, we can also find the volume button function. So as you can see, currently it's set up as a shutter, but I can recommend you to use it as zoom, because right now when you grab your phone and press volume up or volume down button, you can very smooth use zoom feature. So take a look. When I press the volume up button and volume down, I can zoom in and zoom out by using only one finger. And also we can switch between the lenses. As you can see right now, when I hold this volume down button, I just simply move to the ultra wide lens. So take a look. For example, I'm going to take this card, I'm going to put it here, and let's zoom in. So as you can see, we can go very close and very smooth to the object. Okay, let's go for the settings another time. And here we can also enable the fingerprint shotting. So in this smartphone, you can find fingerprint sensor on the right edge. It's linked with the power key. And when you enable this option, fingerprint shotting, you can put your finger here, simply tap once. You don't have to press it, you just simply tap, and the photo was taken. So when you hold your smartphone in one hand and you cannot reach for the shutter, like in my case, as you can see, you can use this simple option. What you can find here also on the composition, very common and very useful feature. So for example, we can add gridlines to our photos, and right now we are able to make the better composition. So if you want to get this card in the middle of the photo, you can just simply move it and set it up. Here we got the grid lines on the screen. Of course, when we take a photo, it will be not shown here, as you can see. Okay, and I think it will be all. Let's find, oh, we got also the flip selfie. So take a look. When I try to take selfie, I'm going to show you on the front camera. So when I take a photo, just like that, and then go for the gallery, it looks like that, but you can flip it. You can simply open the settings, go for advanced settings, and click to flip selfie, and just take a look. There's the difference, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to delete these photos. And right now we are going to focus on the modes that we have right here. So I'm not going to talk about the night, video, photo, or portrait, because you know that, everybody knows that modes, it's on a very smartphone. But when you are on the photo mode, you can add filters to your photo. So when you tap right here, as you can see, we can quickly change the temperature and the colors on our photo. So we don't have to use any external apps. We can take maybe photo with city and maybe with food. And right now without it, with original, and there is the difference between the photos. Right now, when you go for more settings, we can find very useful text scanner feature. So for example, you want to scan some kind of the text, and I will show you on this one. So you can put it right here, just like that. You have to press shutter, and smartphone will be automatically edit the photo and will only focus on the text. Let's turn it off. And when we go also for the more modes, we can find extra HD. So when we choose this mode and take photo with extra HD, take a look. We can take this coin, take photo with extra HD, and then without extra HD. Wait a minute. And take a look on the difference. So this one is without extra HD and it looks like that. And when we got extra HD turned on, it looks like that. And as you can see, we can go much closer to our object, we can spot more details. And basically this Ultra HD mode uses 48 megapixel lens, and we can get better quality of the photo and more details. And as I said before, we can zoom in much closer than on the normal mode. And I think that's all, because those other modes like slow motion, time-lapse or pro expert mode, you know that it's the same like video or photo. There's nothing that we can talk about. Maybe we can also test the macro mode, but those macro lenses are not that good, to be honest. So we have to be 4 centimeters away. Okay, let's try to make it like that. And it looks, I think it disappoints me, because when you use 48 megapixel, definitely we can go, oh come on, we can go much closer and we get more details than on the macro mode. So for me it's a useful feature. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.